YouTube be tripping, but goodest morning. Goodest morning to everybody paying attention. Let me make sure I'm paying attention. God damn it. Hope everybody's having a good morning. Um, you may hear my son in the background. It is getting his energy out. But my name is Silis. This is Silis Trades. Let me share my screen. All right. For those who are new to trading and those who are well versed in trading. So here we have gold micro futures, which is you have micros, you have minis. Minis are bigger than micros. For example, they have 5 units or 5 contracts. If I were to buy with these minis, from here to here, that's 250. With a micro, that 5 would be more like a 15 or something like that. So just to put that in perspective, but we are on micros. This is gold futures. What we're gonna do is mark off our high points and our low points, or our resistance and our support. So let's see what we got here. We do that to see what price is playing in it. Let's see here currently. We got some support here. Got some resistance here. Got this bit of an uptrend on gold as of right now. We'll go from here. We also have these points. Them lows. Yeah, that one there. Yeah, these highs. And dig. We're gonna see our Asian session highs and lows. I'm gonna mark those off. I already got it marked off here. We're gonna change that color for visual representation. And the highs. Let's keep levels. Then we can take that indicator off. Let me bring in my value area indicator. All right. Take a look at this. As it's falling fast, as one of my students said, but we are at this point of concern. It's broken below. We might continue to this previous value area low. We're gonna see what happens. We don't have any news really today that's too impactful. What we do have has been rather good for the dollar, which should drive price down on gold and NAS, which it is doing so. For NAS, right, as of right now, we'll go down to the 15. NAS is currently in a bearish trend a bit. Overall, like in the higher time frames, I don't think so though. Yeah, you got it pretty high up in the higher time frames. I believe that's a buy, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna give price a little time here, maybe like 10 minutes before I make a move. Got a little fair value gap right here. See how price reacts there. We've already broken below this Asian high. Like I said, Nas did turn around from that point, as I thought. But it did break below, so it might continue. Let's see how price reacts. I'm gonna go here at this 15-minute fair value gap. Just tapped it before. Thinking about buying here. Might go in a little aggressive. It's a little aggressive. We get down here if we don't break. As you can see, as you change the number of contracts, the profits change. You know, you bet more, you win more. Don't want to go too aggressive with this one. It's already retracing now, so I'm just waiting for 8:45. I do want to buy this. I think I'm gonna put in a small buy here. Nas is doing as I thought. I still think it might sell though. But I'm gonna wait for 8:45-ish. You got gold selling off right now. I'm not. That's news to me, so I don't think it's short lived. It's still in this upward trend. I'm still going to wait for 8:45. I believe it's going to continue to dive a bit. If not, it doesn't. But we're waiting for our setup. We need the setup is if it broke this trend, it did do that, but we haven't broken resistance. So we're still in this upward trend. We came back into it, pulled back. We have broken it twice. So sell indications. And Nas bought back up as I thought. Nicely done. I should have bought that. It's all good though. The idea was correct. Gold continues to drip. Like I said, I want to buy this thing. It's to this point right here. We're buying. If it breaks, we might sell. If we sell, we'll be going to that Asian session low as first TP. Nice. I definitely should have bought Nas. She's taking a nice dive here off the back of gold. Off the back of news. Let me see what else might be playing a factor. Gold marches higher as fears over Trump's tariff lift. Safe haven demand. I'm waiting for price to enter here, and then we'll buy up. I'm not gonna get faked out. All right, we are in for a buy at this area. Price has tapped into it. I didn't set my my TPs or my stop loss for some reason. I guess I didn't put that in, but I'm gonna get out of here and profit and then get back in because of that not being set. If it doesn't go too crazy, if it go too crazy, we're gonna stay in this thing. It's going nicely though. I'm gonna take that 200 for now. 130. They said 185, but it's all good. I'm gonna take that for right now. First trade of the day. Nas did come back down. See, I think it's gonna hit. It's in this downward trend. Wall Street set for muted open as investors assess tariff outlook. If new highs are in the cards, New York Stock Exchange Composite might have the upper hand. We got 8:45 coming in. Then we got 9 o'clock manipulation. I like to stay away from manipulation hour. We got manipulation now. Shit, I'm playing up in here. As gold plays below this trend but above support. I feel like 8:45 is going to see a big move. I'm still very bullish on gold. Very bullish on gold. NAS is dropping. We did break that support, so it's possible NAS could play below there. If it does, we have a good amount of range that NAS could play in. Do we get all of that? I'm not sure, but he's being rather playful. I wanted the RSI up real quick. She's not oversold, so she could drip a bit more. Gold still playing. This candle's gonna close bearish, so sales might be a move, but we see the heights again. Oh, we do that. He's selling. I gotta get the money though. We're gonna get the money. We're gonna get the money regardless. She's selling off again. Buying gold once again. See what we do here. We got another couple hundred. I think we can get it. Yeah, buddy. I have to be patient with this one. Drawdown is expected. Can't be afraid of a little drawdown. Can't be afraid to take a L if that's what happens. Drip, drip, drip. Should have sold that motherfucker. Got on my tea. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. You don't say. We did break the trend, and we did now break this fair value gap. We could continue. It's looking like it might. I'm bullish on gold, so I think it will be short lived, but it's taking me out right now. Should have sold that thing. I don't know. I mean, at this point of concern, open for a nice pullback into this trend again. Break above these highs. So we open for a long term. Oh my. Really? I don't believe you. Getting this little pullback push to the upside. I'm hoping this a massive one. I could have waited till we got into this fair value gap on the. Oh, that's the support. This fair value gap. We broke the fair value gap. I should have sold at that point, but I'm bearish. I'm bullish on gold, man. I'm bullish on gold. Pullbacks happen, drawdown happens. I just could have got a better entry. Could have waited for it to get to this point. But I think it's going to play. But I think we get back up here. That's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm hoping for. Get on my other account. I'm waiting for a buy to right here. And see what happens. Got the 9 o'clock hour coming. Playing manipulation in that hour. Price will be playing and bouncing. So we'll see what happens. I believe people are in safe haven demand for gold. So this bearish momentum is just off of news, is my opinion. But we'll see. Let's get this push to the upside. This bitch here. This bitch gold. Let me tell you about her. Let me tell you about this bitch. She's racing on me, but at this point now. I don't like that shit. Definitely should have sold after we broke this trend and this fair value gap and my POC. Could have sold it, but I didn't. So let's see what happens. Get the bulls in this motherfucker, man. Yeah, push. That would have been a perfect entry point. That would have been a perfect entry point right there. It really would have been. My patience is my biggest issue when it comes to my trading. I have such good entry points if I just be a little more patient. I'm still confident in this trade though. I ain't gonna lie. No 30-minute candle. Not going the direction I would like. No bueno. Let's see how she plays out. Getting a little upper push right now. Maybe we take a smaller loss. We'll see. Sit down, dude. Still being a bitch, I see. Let's see what Nas doing. Nas always does what I think it's gonna do. And I'm never in it. That's the fucked up part. Oh God. Gold is simply not doing what it usually does for me these days. I'm gonna have to switch to Nas because Nas be treating me right. You feel me? $5.22. What is going on? This ain't how it's supposed to go, y'all. You feel me? This ain't how it's supposed to go at all. I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. I ain't gonna lie to you. Good setups. I should have seen the sell once it broke the trend. And fair value gap. I'm kind of ignoring my own rules at this point. Hoping for the safe haven aspect to push and the news to be lightweight and not hold too much bearing. But as you can see, it's not going my way. We had one win before this for about 130 or something like that. And though we're getting a pullback here, we're still in the negative. But I'm hopeful here. We've touched this point before and rose back up to the 34s. I'm hoping to bounce off of these Asian lows and maybe hit these Asian highs, break them, and go up even higher. That's what I'm hoping for. I could have waited to get in on this buy when it got down to the Asian session lows, but I was impatient. But I'm holding on, man. I'm holding on. Getting a little pullback here, so hopefully we get some momentum behind it, and we end this day in profit. I really should have got in on the NAS sale that I called earlier. That would have been perfect. I wouldn't have did a forward, but had I done a sell after it broke again, as you can see, we made a nice chunk of money. Price is rising here. I'm hoping for a big candle push to the top side. Get us in for another few dollars, and we go ahead and just end this day. Maybe come back at 10. Only taking a $130 loss at this point. 114. Almost at break even if we can get a little more of a push here. course, I went in profit, not break even, but we're gonna take what the market gives us. I'm hoping for a nice push here, though. I really should have waited till we got down to these agent session lows and then bought up. I could have bought up in them. I'm really working on my entry points, so that's my thing. I got to work on my entries. Getting this nice push. Only $60, $50 in the hole as of today, right now, with this nice return to the top side. I'm hoping for a push beyond the fair value gap and into profits. Drinking on that green tea. I'm getting up there, almost at break even. I might just clap this just to, not take a loss. But we're rising. Let's get it. Let's go ahead and take a $0 loss. Could come back at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock hour usually is it's got some volume to it. And I will be trading Asian sessions tonight. I'm going to be trading Asian session in New York every day from now on. Got some goals to meet before the summer gets here, as we all should. Got some financial goals that I want to meet. You might clap this just for our account's sake. This is a pretty big candle. I'm trying to wait it out to hopefully get up here. I just don't want to wait too long and then it comes all the way back down. There we go. We in profit again. We in profit. $2, y'all. Yes, sir. $2. $20. Get my profit back for the day, possibly, if this motherfucker keep going up. We might just clap this just so we stay safe. Just gonna clap it, man. $9 profit for the day. Went from $130 to $9, but we're gonna look for some more setups eventually. This could be a nice sell continuation. Like I said, the 9 o'clock hour is not a friend of mine. But I'm transparent with my wins and my losses. That's two trades, just two trades. And played out how I played out. I could have had a better entry point. I could have read the chart better and got in on those sales once it broke my trend. You know what I'm saying? There's things you see later on. I should have got in on that. It broke my trend. It broke the fair value gap. I should have, got in on the sales. But we're not done for the day. I'm probably done with this stream. I'm putting this in the Discord because I'm transparent with everything going on. So let me lower my contract size. The 9 o'clock hour can be very manipulative. So with NAS being so oversold, I would like to buy it, but this is a humongous downtrend. If we get in for it too, and we buy it right now, and it gets up to here, that's $200. $9 a day. That's pretty. That's pretty ass. That's pretty ass. I ain't gonna lie. Well, you know what? We're gonna be done with this stream. I'm not gonna stream when I come back at 10, but I am going to come back at 10, possibly for another setup. Kids eating breakfast right now, and they want to go to the park and shit like that. If you're not already, feel free to join the Discord. It is free 99. We in that thing pumping out the knowledge. You know what I'm saying? I got students. My boy made 260 today off of NAS. Could have stayed in that NAS cell for sure that he was in. As you can see, I called them shits as well. And it's still selling off. Still selling off. You don't fight the trend. It's like I could have bought. Nah. That's why I want to sell this. But as I said, the 9 o'clock hour can be very manipulative. So I'm going to do what's best for me and walk the fuck away. With my $9 in profit. And come back and see if I can find some more setups. Not just trade, not just pushing buttons. Looking for setups. So, like I said, I could have easily, if I was paying attention better, when it broke trend, could have waited for another trend break. Once it did that and broke the fair value gap, I should have sold. Could have got in for some good profit. But it's all good. It's all good. I'll do better than I'm having a rough trading week. I ain't gonna lie. I've been light work. I've been doing a lot of other things, working on a lot of other projects. Not a lot, but just other projects. So got to get my trading thing back together. You dig? And I am. Yeah, 2 trades for the day so far. $9 in profit. My first trade was a gold buy, I believe, from here to here. We did that like 130, and then I tried to buy from here. Ended up clapping at $9 right about there because it was down. After breaking the trend and breaking the fair value gap, it bounced off this. This isn't the Asian session low. It was just the liquidity. So yeah, man, I'm gonna wait for 10 and come back for some more fun and keep y'all updated on that. But for now, I think I'm done, bro. I don't want to feel burnt out on the charts. I'm feeling good still. So we're gonna walk away, clear mind. Come back, see what we can find. Just observing right now. Look at themselves on NAS, boy. Could have did that. We really should have did that. I called it. I gotta stop playing and get in here on NAS because it's really the one. But yeah, I hope everybody has a good trading day. Hope you learned something if you're watching. I will be back. I'll probably do another video tonight for Asian session, possibly. We're gonna try to keep the lives coming back to back, rapid fire. Starting here in the springtime. Like I said, I'm working on a lot of other things. So stay tuned, subscribe, like all that good stuff. Get to the Discord if you want this knowledge. It is free. Follow me on all your social media platforms, all that good stuff. Get your trading knowledge up. We'll be back tomorrow morning. No, actually, I have other things to do tomorrow morning. So maybe tomorrow night I'll be live again for Asian session. But tomorrow morning I will not be trading. Got some early things to do. But we will be back live Friday morning and all next week So stay tuned for that. Share the stream for those interested in trading. But my name is Silas. This is Silas Trades. Hope y'all have a good one. I'm out this thing with my $9 in profit.